Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, and a lot of other companies have started the layoffs process. UK has said that they are in a recession. Now, during this recession period, what can you do? You might get laid off tomorrow and you don't know what to do. So keep watching this video, and in this video we will discuss how you can upskill yourself and make sure that you don't get laid off, or at least you make good amount of money even if you don't have a job. So keep watching this video. First thing you should upskill yourself in is coding. This is because coding is such a relevant skill today that a lot of startups have been rising, and all these companies are looking for coders. Coders are one of the highest paid professions, and it is a relevant skill in today's era, and it will be relevant for next 20-30 years as we build more and more companies. So if you are someone who is interested into going into computer science space, or if you want to stay relevant in the market for next 20-30 years and make good amount of money using a job, now you might say that why do I need to learn coding? I can hire some coders and just start with it. Yes, that is exactly right. But if you know coding and marketing, both the things, then you will become a deadly combination. Knowing technology and marketing both is a very unmatchable skill these days, and having a knowledge of both will make sure that you don't get manipulated, because a lot of people are manipulated because they say that these things are not working or this technology is not working, we can't code it in this language and these things. So if you know even some part of coding, let's say even if you know 30-40% of coding, you won't be manipulated, and you can understand what you need exactly from the person, and you can explain the coders as well how you need it or what you exactly want in your startup system. So that's the reason why number one skill, coding, is very relevant. The second best thing you can learn is copywriting. This is because since the COVID pandemic, a lot of people have chose the freelancing route. Now if you are someone who is doing freelancing or wants to get into freelancing, copywriting is one of the highest paid skills in freelancing. Now you might think that, hey, I used to write really good essays during my school time and I know what is copywriting. But no, that's not the thing. Copywriting needs to be learned, and to learn this particular skill there are a lot of courses on the internet, and you can also refer some books. You should definitely learn copywriting if you don't want to go into the coding or technology space. Copywriting will help you avoid that and still make a good amount of money. The third thing, which is highly relevant in today's day and age, is automations. Now what you can do is you can help other companies decrease the number of steps in between two tasks, and this way you can increase their efficiency. Now how you can do it? So you can use tools like Pabbly or Zapier and save your time and help the companies create automations in between two processes. For example, my particular marketing agency has two processes. One is sending a proposal, then the person will accept the proposal, and after that I need to manually upgrade that client or get his login details. So how you can use Zapier to automate this process? Process number one, which will be automated, is proposals. The proposal is sent, the person will sign this proposal, and after that automatically this person will have to share his login details and gets the onboarding form, wherein he enters all the details and comes on board. Now this is one of the examples of processes which can be automated in my particular marketing agency if I use Zapier. This way there are a lot of bigger companies which need to reduce the number of steps between two tasks, and Zapier automations can help you do this. Now imagine the amount of money these companies can save if you can help them automate these tasks. If these tasks are automated, the company saves a lot of money on employment costs, and that's the reason why these companies can pay you $5,000 or $10,000 just to create these automations for them. The fourth thing that you can learn in today's world is email marketing. E-commerce brands or e-commerce stores are on the rise, and you might have seen some promotional emails in your Gmail inbox where you receive emails from Amazon, Flipkart. So what do you think? Don't these people make money from sending you emails? Definitely they do make a lot of money by sending such promotional emails. So if you can create beautiful promotional emails and increase the click-through rate of an email that is opened, and this will help the company increase their sales in proportion. So if you are someone who can do these things as well, then it is very relevant skill and you can make a lot of money. The fifth thing that you can learn and make good amount of money using that skill is appointment setting. My agency Mail Medias does appointment setting, and we help bigger companies get meetings with their prospects or their target companies using appointment setting. Now you might ask, what is appointment setting? So we help company A to get meeting with company B using cold emails and LinkedIn outreach. So you can start with this skill as well, and it gets you paid really good, because if a deal between these $2 million companies gets closed, you can make a lot of money because you can charge a percent of the closed deal as well. So this is why this particular skill is also really good. Now these were the 5 skills you can learn and master yourself in, so that you become highly relevant and get paid a lot of money. Now what you can also do is create a combo of 2 services or 2 skills. For example, you can become a copywriter and you can become an email marketer. Now you know email marketing and copywriting both. So create a combo of both those services and sell that service to someone else. So what will this do is it will make you a deadly combination, and it will reduce your competition by a lot. This is similar to how you will go to a specialist doctor. If you know you have some problem in your brain, you will go to a neurologist. You are not going to go to a physician who is not having any solution for this particular problem. So that's the reason why you need to specialize in any one of the skill, or you can specialize yourself in 2 of any of these skills and make good amount of money. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. Please subscribe to this channel, because I am going to post freelancing content, digital marketing content, how you can get deals, how you can close those clients, and a lot of other things in the coming days. If you are watching till here, thanks for watching. Please comment below and let me know what is the one skill that you are very much interested in. Thank you.